Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Deputy Chief Minister Prastun Tansong, along with senior government officials, conducted a comprehensive inspection of Ïewduh or Barabazar on the afternoon of 19th May 2025. The visit began at Motpran and covered key sections of the market, including the vegetable, fish, meat and poultry areas, Ïewduh Maulong, and extended up to Ïewduh. The purpose of the visit was to assess the market's current condition and identify critical infrastructure needs. Chief Minister Sangma noted that significant improvements are necessary, particularly after the day's rainfall highlighted the daily hardships faced by both vendors and the public. He stated that the adverse weather offered valuable insight into the long-standing issues affecting the market. As part of the government's initiative to modernize one of Shillong's most vital commercial hubs, the Chief Minister announced that ₹6 crore has already been sanctioned for initial renovation work. An additional ₹15 crore will be allocated to support further developmental efforts. Describing Ïewduh as the heartbeat of Meghalaya's farmers and traders, Conrad Sangma reaffirmed the government's commitment to enhancing infrastructure and amenities in the market. The goal, he emphasized, is to improve commuting, trading conditions and the overall quality of life for all who depend on the historic market.
Hello sir, welcome sir to our market.
So it's like this share. We have sanctioned 6 crore in the first installment. That 6 crore work is going on. You can see this, the footpath being made. Now we have already sanctioned 15 crores more. So again build up the nala and business. So now after doing this small bit, we know that there is more problem. So unless we don't meet you, we don't know the problem. So we want to hear from you. That's why we have come. And then now, not saying in one day to be done, but slowly, yeah. So no, so 6 crore already done, going on. 15 crore sanctioned. And now this will be the third phase. But electricity, we can do it.
Yeah, most what I'm saying, but we have it's not like I want to see another. We don't know, make sure. Yes, we have not and we met. The good I want to first is light, so we don't have any current.
MECL directors must work on the board of the country. I think this is what is included. What is up? I think the pipeline. What is up? What is it? This pipe is included, sir? All of this is included in the big project. So all of this will be done. So this is in the 15 crore project. This piping will be all put in the new footpath project. इस सबको नया करने के लिए 15 करोड़ हम लोग ने सैंक्शन किया था।
This market.
Yes, yes. No, you have to tell us how to do it then. How do we, yeah, maybe sit down and get it. Because we cannot do it. And we have to yeah, spacing, how do yes, yes. We had visited Ïewduh market area, and the purpose of our visit was basically to look at the overall condition and what needs to be done and what improvement has to be brought in. As you're aware, we have already sanctioned and work for 6 crores is already going on, and different parts, you will notice that the footpaths have been repaired, and it has been made into stone footpath to give it a natural look. So in that same line, we have now sanctioned close to 15 crores more, and for that also the tendering and the work, all the progress will happen. In next maybe a couple of months, we should see the work for that also to start. And the main purpose is again to the pipes that are going along the footpaths. We will put them under a duct, and then we will redo the entire footpath and will make it better. And also overall we will try to beautify the place. Of course, this will not be enough, but our objective today was to see what more can be done, and we realized that there's a lot of problem with water flow, with the nalas. So all of this is included in the second phase, which is the close to 15 crore project. But we realized that there is much more to be done, and therefore we are now going to prepare a master plan and see how we can bring overall improvement in Ïewduh. We are very, very concerned about this because more than or close to about 1 lakh people, you know, their livelihoods depend on Ïewduh market area directly and indirectly. And therefore it is very important for us to ensure that we are able to maintain this and bring it up. And that's why we have come in a very big delegation. All the officials from urban, municipal, PHE, MECL, and all the other related departments are all here. And slowly and steadily, we will ensure that we improve this place. As I said, we cannot do it in overnight. Obviously, it's a large work, but the process has started, and I'm very happy. We got to meet the vendors, the farmers out here, the different shopkeepers. We interacted with them. We got very good suggestions from them, and thank God it rained also. So we really could see live what problems people actually face, and it made us realize that we really need to do a lot more in this area. So we're very happy, and it's a very good visit, and we want to assure the people of Ïewduh, especially the shopkeepers and the HEMA and all the other traditional heads, that we will do and work hand in hand with them to ensure that we are able to improve the overall Ïewduh market.
So what